A mother brought her two children to immigration court on May 29th, expecting to continue to make a case for asylum after fleeing Honduras because of threats of violence. Their case was quickly dismissed, and ICE agents were waiting outside of the courthouse for them to pick them up. A 6-year-old boy who was with them was diagnosed with leukemia. The kids were crying in fear. One of the agents at one point lifted up his shirt, which displayed a gun he was carrying. The 6-year-old boy was terrified to see the gun. He urinated on himself and wet his clothes. No one offered him a change of any clothing. The 6-year-old had also been had mistreatments for his leukemia symptoms, and now the family has filed a federal lawsuit against ICE, and it was filed in San Antonio by the Immigration's Right Clinic in Texas Civil Rights Project.
So, first of all, way to go, United States government. They were fleeing their home country
Hmm.
because of threats of violence, and then they hear and get met with threats of violence. Way to
Hmm.
go.
That's exactly what I said. And the thing about it, and like, okay, I wonder because by the child being a 2-year old, I don't know if the child was born here or in Honduras. But at the same time, it's like this ain't the first time I heard about a kid with cancer not getting treated for any of their cancer symptoms, or to even to try to cure the not can't well cure the cancer, like radiation, all this other kind of stuff.
Put it in remission.
Yeah. So they're not getting their treatments at all. And then you just have these kids detained in facilities until they're deported. And there are talks of like these kids, these places that they hold these people in, like they're saying like they only being allowed to shower once a week. They're not given proper food and all these other kind of things. Like it's horrible. It's very, very horrible conditions. And and we have an administration who just don't care about human rights, human decency. Like, yes, I'm here illegally. I came over here illegally, but at least if you're gonna kick me out of the country, do it with some dignity. Why is that so hard to ask for?